Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 95, talking about how love is the greatest antidote to fear. Now, he says the greatest antidote to fear and doubt, but truly, fear and doubt are kind of from the same source, being both just from fear, okay? Love is the opposite of fear here. Once again, going to my idea of the love-fear dichotomy. And that when you turn to love, it really can abolish fear. It can just get rid of it from your mind. So whenever you have fear, whenever you have doubt, whenever you just have those thoughts of, I'm anxious about this, or maybe this won't work out, all that kind of stuff, just pause for a minute or a moment and just give yourself that thought of love. For example, it might be like I was thinking about earlier about a trade. I'm just like, oh no, like this trade lost. What if my whole series of trades is going to start losing and this is all going to come down? What about my potential for growing my portfolio and all this stuff, all this kind of fearful, doubtful thoughts about my strategy, which has been well statistically tested and I've been doing for years and that kind of stuff. And then it's just like, no, let me just pause for a moment. Instead of taking this fearfully, why don't I just take it a little bit slower and say, you know what? I love what I'm doing. And this thing is going to work out. Don't just doubt yourself, particularly when the math is with you. Don't just go against that. Just have that strength, have that faith. And suddenly the entire problem kind of just like poof, dissipated. And a lot of people have problems with anxiety and depression that really stem from this negative mental attitude, where fear is just going to town on them, just like beating them up all the time. And it's like, no, just stop that. Instead, give yourself a little love and the fear will just evaporate. That's about it for part 95. I will see you guys next time with part 96, so stay tuned.